Hi guys, welcome to the next video of Learn Max Easily, and today we are going to solve again some sample papers, some important questions from that of CBSE class 10. So the first question is: a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 5 km more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, this is under quadratic equation of chapter 4, that is in your textbook class 10. Okay, first we will write what is given in the question. First point, that is the distance traveled they have given, that is 360 kilometer. Now speed, let speed be x, so the time taken will be distance by speed, that is 360 by x. Now they have given one case, that is if the speed had been 5 km more, therefore the x value increases, that is x plus 5. Similarly, a minute please, x plus 5. Similarly, the t value changes, that is 360 by x plus 5. So we know that the time, the original time minus the increased time, right? The original speed time minus the increased speed time will be 1. Therefore 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 will give 1. Taking LCM, 360 x plus, you get, when you just do 360x plus 1800 minus 360x by x square plus 5x is equal to 1. So you get 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x. So upon simplifying this, you get the value of x is equal to 40 km per hour. So the speed is 40 km per hour, that is we assumed the speed value to be x. So we got the speed, that is 40 km per hour. So the speed of the train which we assumed, that is x, that is 40 km per hour. So we will see the next question, that is R1 present in the 32nd question. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go for 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So this again from the same question, I mean the same lesson. Okay, we will add one thing. Yes, so we will again assume, or we will just consider the speed of the, this is the B subdivision or the R type, okay, or question. Speed of the stream is equal to x kilometer per hour. So when the boat goes upstream, the motorboat speed is 18 km per hour. So when it goes upstream, we know that it will become 18 minus x kilometer per hour. It is 18. So when the boat goes upstream, it will be 18 minus x kilometer. When it comes downstream, it becomes 18 plus x kilometer per hour. Now with this we can calculate the time for upstream, that is nothing but 24, that is distance by speed, right? So 24 by 18 minus x. So similarly for time for downstream is 24 by 18 plus x. This is x, right? So with the question that is given, we can come to the equation 24 by 18 minus x, that is the time taken by the boat to go to the upstream, will be the 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is the boat time taken by the boat to go downstream. The question that is given is a motorboat whose speed is given in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. So 1 hour, therefore it is equal to 1, or it can be written as upstream is equal to 1 plus downstream, whatever it may be. Now cross multiplying this with respect to the given values. So 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x, the whole divided by, why I write like this, because a plus b into a minus b, 1. So again 24 into 18 plus 24x plus 24x minus 24 into 18 plus 24x, the whole by 18 square minus x square is equal to 1, right? So 24 into 18 and 24 into 18 gets cancelled. 24x plus 24x, you get 48x, equal to, you get 18 square minus x square. I'm just multiplying this. So it, on the whole, simplifying, you get x square plus 48x minus 18 square will be 324 equal to 0. So this again, you need to find the value of x, right? So we assume the x to be the speed of the stream. So we need to find the value of x. So when you simplify this by the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? The a value is 1, so 2a is actually formula. When you simplify, you get the value of x to be 6 or minus 54. The speed of the stream cannot be in negative value, therefore x is equal to 6 is the speed of the stream. You need to write that last line, that it cannot be, the value of the stream cannot be negative, therefore we ignore the value minus 54. The speed of the stream is 6 km per hour. So this is the question that is asked in the sample paper of the board, that is released by board papers, right? We will see the next question. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. We need to prove this. Okay, this is from triangles lesson. Again, it is a theorem actually. We need to prove the theorem. They have indirectly asked as a question. Okay, we will see the diagram first. This is the diagram for the 33rd question A. So if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in a distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, is what we need to prove. First, we assume that a triangle ABC where the line parallel to side BC, that is DE, right, that line is touching or intersects the other two sides AB and AC, that is point D and point E, which is parallel to BC. Now we need to prove with respect to the question is nothing but AD by DB, this by this is equal to AE by EC. This by this, right? So for that they are joining B and E and B to E and C to D. So I have done the dotted lines joining B to E and C to D. Then drawing DM perpendicular to the line AC. Similarly, EN perpendicular to AB. So they are just drawing a perpendicular to these two lines of the triangle ABC. So the next thing, the triangle ADE, the top this triangle ADE area can be easily calculated because the height has been known now. That is half into AD will be its base into the height EN. So area, that is AR of ADE, this top triangle, right, is half into AD into EN. Similarly, this triangle, that is BDE, BDE, right, that area of BDE is half into base into height, right? So BD into EN, right? Now we found the area of ADE is nothing but half into AD into EN, AD into EN. Now we are interchanging the values of area ADE, that is half into DM. Why? Because this DM is another perpendicular inside the triangle ADE. When you see from other side, right, the before equation which we write is half into AD into EN, that is from viewing from left side. Similarly, when you see from right side, the another length or height present inside the triangle, that is DM, with respect to that, if you calculate the area of ADE, it will be half into DM into the base is AE, right? So this is another formula. Now by the area formula method, area of ADE, the smaller triangle, the whole divided by area of DEC, I'm sorry, BDE. Okay, first I need to find both BDE as well as ADE, by DEC. right? So first, the area of ADE which we found is nothing but half AD into EN. Similarly, BDE is half BD into EN. Similarly, half AE into DM by half DM into CE with this diagram, right? So now cancelling half of EN half of DM, right? So it gives you AD by BD, again here AE by CE. Now in the diagram, triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on same base DE. Over here BDE and DEC have the same base DE, and in between the two parallels, that is BC and DE, right? Therefore, by the property, area of BDE is equal to area of DEC. Therefore, AD by DB will be equal to AE by CE. This is what asked us to prove in that question. So we have got AD by DB is equal to AE by CE. Therefore, this theorem is been proved, right? Such a very important question from the triangles unit. So I will teach this again very detailedly in the triangles lesson when I come across through that. So just have a clear or a brief description about this thing, okay? And in the next video we will see the B part, that is in triangle PQR, and 34th question and upcoming questions that is present in this exercise or in this sample question paper, right? Thank you.